In this video, I'll show you how I turned an old window into a large statement mirror using mirror spray, and what to watch out for if you do this. They threw out some old wooden windows at my friend's place and we grabbed a couple to experiment with. The window glass was partially frosted, so I wasn't sure whether this would work, but only one way to find out. It was quite old, so first I cleaned off old paint and loose putty from both sides. Then I taped everything off and gave the front a fresh coat of chalk paint in old white. This part was a bit fiddly since there were lots of small paints. Once that was dry, I flipped it over and prepped the glass for the mirror spray. Proper cleaning here is absolutely critical. I'll show you later why. Basically, you want zero dust, smears or fingerprints. I used a mirror effect spray like this one. It costs about 15 bucks. I applied 3 thin coats following the instructions on the can. On the smaller frosted panes, the mirror effect looked really good. But on the larger center panes, the effect got lost behind the frosted glass. No surprise. Here are a couple of test pieces next to the original. It looked a bit meh. So I decided to replace the 2 center panes with real mirror glass. A local glass shop cut them to size for about 25 bucks. Here is me checking the fit of the panes, temporarily held in with a bit of crafts clay. And this is what the mirror looks like from the back. And here is the finished mirror from the front. All in, this cost about 55 bucks. This includes the spray, chalk paint and the 2 custom paints. It took a couple afternoons of work. Most of that time went on prep, cleaning, taping and painting. For an oversized character mirror, I don't think it's too bad. It works as a standing mirror, as a wall mirror, or it could be good headboard in a loft style space. What do you think? The biggest lesson though, cleaning. I really cleaned and I triple checked, but on a bright sunny day I still missed a few smears that showed up later with the spray paint. Next time I'd check it in softer light and be even more obsessive with the cleaning. Thanks for watching! More practical mirror DIY projects coming up. Next up, 6 big statement mirrors on a small budget. See you there!